Hello YouTube family, and welcome to another episode of This and That. Yes, it is your boy Rosel, your soon to be #1 YouTube host. Yes, you read that right. I transformed the Jeep kitchen yet again. Y'all stay tuned. We're going to do you a quick walk around and tell you why we felt it necessary to make those changes. We'll be right back. Alright family, if y'all been around the channel for a while, y'all know that's one of my first videos I did. I showed y'all where I cut out some of that neoprene up in my roll bar here, and I put my garage door controller in there, and that way I just hit that button, which right there I know is located right in front of this lever, and that opens the garage door. Alright, the first reason, well, first and foremost, and I know this looks all, there's all this, a chain here, a green cord here, two orange bungee straps that come along back here. But we had got the garage redone, and I was skeptical about putting holes in the roof again. So I used the stud finder, make sure I didn't have holes all over the place. And I went ahead and put my, what do you want to call those? My 4 bolts or screws up in the ceiling to hold my Jeep top. So we got that out of the way. I put my first holes in my new garage. Mama was okay with that. And the reason we did that was we wanted to pull the top off the Jeep. Me and Tanya like riding around with the top off the Jeep. And my kitchen configuration that I had it in, it took me about 30 minutes to take it apart, which is not a long time, but every time we want to take the top off during the summer, 30 minutes to take the Jeep apart was much, much too long. So the first reason that I wanted to do a change to the Jeep and the kitchen configuration was so we could take our tops off. Not these tops, but that top or that top. Anyway, so we wanted to be able to ride around in the summertime. As a matter of fact, I'm thinking about getting one of those cloth soft tops, they call it, for the Jeep. So I won't have to go through that every time I get ready to, taking screws and bolts out every time I'm ready to take the top off the Jeep and we're ready to ride. The second reason, and the most important reason, is I'm going on a road trip. I'm going on a world tour, if you will. Not a world tour, but here in about 2 weeks, and I'm taking y'all with me. I'm planning on going through Baton Rouge, Louisiana to see my granddaughter. I'm planning on going to Atlanta to see my oldest granddaughter, my oldest son, 2 of my other grandsons. And then we're going down to Albany, Georgia to see my nephew and his wife. And then we're going to Cairo, Georgia, where I was born and raised, to see my cousin and some other family members and friends. Then to Quincy, Florida to see my sister and my nieces. And we're just going to do a world tour. It's going to take me about 2 or 3 days to get there. And we'll be making stops along the way. The reason the transformation is important on the Jeep is my plan is to sleep in the Jeep at rest areas and maybe a campground or 2. That's right, Tanya, a campground. My wife is so concerned when I told her my plan about my safety. But I will only be stopping at parts or rest areas that have security or people about. And I will also have my own security that I always have with me. So I'm not worried, and she shouldn't be either. Baby, I'll be fine, trust me. So that's the main reason that I made the change. So now, my sleeping bag right here, where I keep my refrigerator now, and y'all notice his home used to be here in that seat. At night, when I'm ready to rest for a couple of hours, I will take the refrigerator, put it back in this area where it normally is, and I will put me a sleeping bag right here. I'll put me a pillow up on the armrest, and I've already tried it, and I fit in that area perfectly. I'm not going to put my spice rack back up because that was a part of the thing that made it difficult for me to, for safety, for security reasons, when we're riding around without the top, I don't want that stuff exposed. Not that anybody's gonna steal my Dale's seasoning, but they may screw the top off, do something nasty to it, pour something in it. So I could not leave that unattended, go in the store, stay 10 minutes, 15 minutes, come back and feel secure that nobody had messed with that. My Big Bubba growler, y'all know how that works. That is a fire extinguisher bracket. It just unattaches like so, and then I can take that off, and that's the only thing that I have that I really worry about. I'm gonna figure out a way to strap this toolbox down, have it secure, but for the most part, when we're riding with the top off, it will take me and Tanya 5 minutes now to dismantle this thing, take it apart, take the top off, and be about our sunny summer way. So family, there you have it, a real quick down and dirty video on how the other thing I almost forgot to mention. Now, with this toolbox being turned this way, I still can open my drawers. And I don't know if y'all know this, but this toolboxes, they have soft closed drawers. I still can open this, not all the way, but enough. And if I had to, if it was raining outside and I'm on my world tour, I can actually cook from the inside of the Jeep. I can simply flip that back window open on the on my hard top for ventilation, roll the window down, and I can actually cook while I'm sitting right here in the middle. My refrigerator will be right here. I'll be here with my back rested against this seat, and I can cook in the Jeep. Think about it. I got my fire extinguisher right there just in case, but that metal toolbox is secure. I don't have to worry about anything overheating or anything of that nature. So that's another reason that I like the toolbox being turned that way. When I first put the Jeep together, and it might have been before I started YouTubing, using the Jeep as content, I actually had the toolbox that way and I didn't care for it, so I turned it around so I could actually work with it from back here, but I couldn't get the refrigerator in there, so it wound up in the seat. So every time I'm cooking, I drop my table, you know, I get my frying pan out of my toolbox, then I have to go around the truck, open the Jeep, open the door, and get whatever food I'm cooking out of the refrigerator. Now, I'm just like any other overlander, Jeeper, outdoor cook guy. I have my refrigerator right there at my accessible. So I simply open my drawer, pull out my frying pan, pull out whatever I'm gonna cook, hot dogs. I got my cheese here, whatever meat I want, which I don't have any meat in here. Oh, I got a little codfish right there. And I think I got a little shrimp. So I pull out whatever I'm cooking, and I'm about my business. It's gonna go faster, it's gonna be more convenient, it's gonna be perfect. All right, fam, like I said, I want to do a quick down and dirty video, show y'all the changes that I made to the Jeep. I gotta add my paper towel holder and a couple other little small things. A small container of water. I don't think I'm gonna take my 5-gallon water jug with me anymore. I might, it'll actually fit right here perfectly. But I'm not sure I'm gonna take it because I never use more than a gallon or two of water unless we're camping for an entire weekend, and then I'll consider taking it. Other than that, fam, that's gonna be a quick down and dirty update on what we got going on. And the main reason I wanted to tell y'all about the change was to show you the change and tell y'all to stay tuned for my tour. When I'm gonna leave here, it's gonna be probably Tuesday the 13th of July, and I'm gonna head, you know, up the road, see my granddaughter in Baton Rouge, stay with her for a couple of hours, and just cruise. When it gets dark, I'm gonna find myself a nice place to rest, get out, make myself something to eat, bed down for the night. I wake up at 3, 4 o'clock in the morning. I like traveling at night. We'll hit the road again, head to my next destination. So I want y'all to stay tuned, follow your boy. I'm not too good at travel vlogging, but we're gonna try to get better, know what to film, what not to film, and keep y'all updated and keep it exciting. So y'all stay tuned for the next couple of weeks, and I think it's gonna be a real good content coming y'all way. All right, fam, if that's been it for this video, I'm gonna bring in for a landing. If y'all enjoyed this video as usual, give her a thumbs up. If not, give her a thumb down and a brief reason why in the comment section. And if you love what we're doing here, this and that, consider becoming a subscriber. And if you do subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time we drop one of these awesome videos. It's your boy going topless. Y'all have a great day, a great week, a great rest of this 2021. Peace.